the skincare system in Atomy called the Fame.
The skincare set has 5 steps. It's a toner, eye cream, essence, lotion, and nutrition cream.
The toner, the essence, and the lotion, they all come with a pump. So just to show you what it looks like, they have a little pump.
And eye cream and nutrition cream comes in these containers that you twist and open. And it's better to use a little spatula so the bacteria from our fingers would not go to the cream. So you take a little bit of the cream and use it on your face.
Unfading beauty, unfading reputation. Atomy skincare system, the Fame. To start using this set, we start with the toner. Toner provides instant moisture. It protects the skin and reduces irritation. Toner is the base for all skincare. Before we put any creams or lotions on, we need to use toner first. The second step is the Fame eye cream. It gently strengthens sensitive skin around the eyes. It forms second skin barrier to treat fine lines and deep wrinkles. The third step is the Fame essence. Micro-delivery system, highly effective ingredients are delivered deeper and faster. The fourth step is the Fame lotion. Nutrients burst and are released using gentle rolling and massaging motions with soft roll matrix system. Recharges and moisturizes skin with an oil-water complex. The fifth and the last step is the Fame nutrition cream. It prevents loss of moisture and firms skin. It locks in moisture through natural skin fit system and complete skincare routine. Atomy skincare system, the Fame, contains extracts of active ingredients that have high purity and high concentration levels that easily absorbs into the skin.
So for the question of the day, we want to ask you, what is toner? If you will notice, in a lot of the Atomy skincare products, they have toner. But what is that and why is it so important?
Thank you for watching this video.
See you next time.